Welcome back to Daily Lingo Pro, and thank you so much for joining today's special video lesson, which is entirely focused on learning polite English phrases in the most natural, respectful, and easy to understand way. And this video is also day 3 of our English speaking training series. Today, I want to speak with you in a calm, smooth, and polite flow, so that you can not just learn English phrases, but also feel the tone, the style, and the softness behind polite English. Many learners know normal English words, but what makes you sound polite is the way you choose your phrases, your expressions, and your sentence style. So in this long video, you will learn how to greet politely, how to request politely, how to thank politely, how to apologize politely, how to respond politely, and how to maintain soft communication in daily life, office life, customer service, meetings, WhatsApp texts, calls, and face-to-face conversations. To start with, let's talk about polite greetings, because greetings are the first impression. When you meet someone in the morning, instead of only saying a simple hi or hello, you can say, "Good morning. How are you today?" This sentence is soft, gentle, and respectful. Another polite greeting is, "It's wonderful to see you," which sounds very professional and warm. You can also say, "I hope you're having a pleasant day," which is commonly used in customer service and professional environments. Whenever someone joins your meeting or conversation, you can politely say, "Thank you for joining me," or "I truly appreciate your time," because appreciating someone's time is one of the most polite things you can do in English communication. Now, let's move into polite request phrases. Many people directly say, "Give me," "Tell me," "Send this," but polite English avoids direct commands. Instead, you use phrases like, "Could you please?" For example, "Could you please send me the document?" Or you can say, "Would you mind helping me with this?" which is extremely soft and respectful. Another beautiful polite phrase is, "If it's not too much trouble, could you send me the details?" This shows respect and makes your tone humble. You can also say, "I was wondering if you could explain this to me," which is a perfect polite request. And if you want to make a very soft request, you can say, "Whenever you get a chance, please check the message," which tells the listener that you respect their time. Now, let's talk about polite thanking phrases. Instead of only saying, "Thanks," use full polite expressions like, "Thank you so much," "I truly appreciate it," or "That means a lot to me," or "I'm grateful for your help." Another very polite line is, "I sincerely appreciate your support," because sincerity adds emotion to the thank you message. And whenever someone waits for you or gives you time, you can politely say, "Thank you for your patience," which is a very professional phrase commonly used in customer service and formal communication. Moving forward, if you want to apologize politely, avoid saying only "sorry" instead. You can say, "Apologize for the inconvenience," or "I'm really sorry for the delay," which is more formal. You can also say, "Please pardon me for the mistake," or "That was not my intention, I'm sorry," which makes your apology polite and clear. And at the end of an apology, you can add, "Thank you for understanding," because it ends the apology with respect. Now, let's look at polite, conversational phrases that help you sound respectful and elegant. You can say, "May I ask you something?" or if you don't mind me asking," which makes your question polite. When you agree with someone politely, you can say, "I completely understand your point," or "That sounds great," or "I appreciate your opinion," which shows respect for the other person's thoughts. To give you an example of how polite English works in real conversation, imagine this simple dialogue. One person says, "Good morning, I hope you're doing well today," and the other replies, "Good morning, yes thank you. How about you?" Then the first person says, "I'm doing well too. Thank you for asking," and the other person says, "That's wonderful to hear." After that, the first person politely asks, "I was wondering if you could help me with something," and the second person replies, "Of course, I'd be happy to," and then the first person says, "Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your help," and the other responds, Not at all. Always here to help. This small conversation shows how polite English makes interactions soft, smooth, pleasant, and respectful. This video. Throughout the entire lesson, I will be giving you many long examples, full sentences, and natural conversations that can help you understand how native speakers maintain politeness and how you can do the same in your daily speaking. Polite English is not only about words, but also about tone and attitude. And by practicing these phrases, you will notice a major improvement in how confident, calm, and respectful your communication becomes. So stay with me until the end of this long video, because every minute will give you something new to learn and practice. And by the end of day 3, you will be able to use polite English phrases naturally, fluently, and confidently in any real-life situation.